Welcome back, students. Now we will do the construction of a triangle on the basis of side angle side criteria in which what is given? You are given PQ is equal to 3 cm, QR is equal to 5.5 cm and angle PQR is equal to 60 degree. Side angle side. Okay. Now whatever angle is this 60 degree, if you first of all you have to draw the rough sketch which gives you an idea that after your construction how the triangle looks, how the triangle is appearing. So PQ and QR, so side angle side. This angle should be such that whatever measurement of sides are given in between that angle should be there. Otherwise, if you are taking this angle, so it is a wrong construction because you don't know measurement of PR. Okay, so whatever measurement of given, sides measurement is given, in between that you have to take the angle. So in 6th standard you have already learned how to draw the various kind of angles, maybe 60 degree, 120 degree, 90 degree, 45 degree, 150 degree, that kind of angle construction you have already learned in 6th standard. So you have to revise that knowledge in this chapter so that you are able to draw the construction of a triangle. Okay. Also you have learned the bisector of a triangle. Suppose you have to draw the 30 degree angle. So 30 degree means what? It is the bisector of 60 degree. So you should know how to bisect an angle. That concept you have already learned in 6th standard. So okay, now we will start this construction. So first of all what we will do? We will draw the line segment QR of 5.5 cm measurement. Then what we will do? At Q we will draw an angle of 60 degree, and after drawing this angle we will take, you have to just extend this line to draw an angle. Then we will take the arc of 3 cm on QP. You are getting one point over here after drawing an arc of 3 cm. Then you have to join that. PQ is already joined, that whatever the point you are getting, that you have to join with arc. So let's see how to construct. So first of all 5.5 cm, draw QR. Keep your scale. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is your 5.5 over here. Okay. So this is your QR. Now at Q we will draw an angle of 60 degree. So take a rounder, draw an arc. Do not change this measurement. So here you will get one point. From this, without changing this radius, draw an arc again. So that you are getting one point here. Now join these 2 points. With the help of scale, join this 2 points. So at Q you have drawn 60 degree angle. Okay, now what is the measurement of QP? 3 cm. So you have to take 3 cm arc with the help of scale. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3. Here is your 3 cm. So this is your 3 cm arc. Measurement, drawing arc from Q. So that you are getting one intersection point over here. Name this point as P. Now what you have to do? Already PQ is joined of 3 cm. Now this point you have to join with R. So it will give you PR. So just join these 2 points. Okay. So this is your construction PQR, in which PQ is 3 cm, QR is 5.5 cm, and this is measure angle Q of 60 degree. So this way we can do the construction in which 2 sides and 1 angle is given. So whenever you write the examples which are already drawn in your textbook, for that you have to write construction. For exercise part, you have to learn all the steps. If you want, you can write the steps according to your words without any grammatical mistakes also. Whatever you are doing, the same way you have to write in words. So this is your construction side angle side criteria. Thank you. Now we will see exercise 10.3. In that we have to construct triangle DEF. In that measurements are given. D is equal to 5 cm, DF is equal to 3 cm, and angle EDF is equal to 90 degree. Means measurement angle D is given, that is 90 degree. So from this information we will first draw the rough sketch. This is your rough sketch where D is 90 degree. D is 5 cm and DF is 3 cm. So after construction, your triangle will be looks like this, whatever rough sketch we did. So let's start. So first we will draw DF of 3 cm. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is my DF of 3 cm. Now at D I have to draw 90 degree. How will you draw this? So it is very easy to draw 60 degree. Okay. Then again we have to draw 60 degree. Now if you want to make 90 degree angle, so 60 plus how much you have to do? 30. So first 60 remain as it is. Second 60 you have to do bisection. So let's see how will you do. So from D you have to draw don't change this radius. Whatever intersection point you are getting over here, from here you have to again draw an arc. This is your 60 degree angle. From this again you have to draw 60 degree angle. Do not change this measurement. Now you are getting 2 points. This is 160, another 60, so it is 120 degree, but we don't want 120 degree. So first 60 remain as it is, and we have to bisect these two angles. These two arc, the full arc we have to bisect. So second 60 degree we will bisect so that we are getting 30 degree. Do not change the measurement. Throughout you have to keep your radius as it is. So now keep your pointer over here and draw an arc above. Same measurement, keep your pointer now over here and draw an arc. This way you have to draw 90 degree. We have bisected second portion of the 60 degree so that we are getting this point. Now what you have to do, join these 2 points. It gives you 90 degree. So this is your 90 degree at D. Okay, this is 60, second 60 we have bisected, so 60 plus this portion, that is 30 degree, so it becomes 90 degree. Now we have to draw 5 centimeter. So on scale 5 centimeter, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here is your 5 centimeter. Extend the measurement. So this is your 5 centimeter. So what you have to do? Draw an arc from D. So you are getting one intersecting point, name it as E. So DE 5 centimeter, DF 3 centimeter. If you want to complete the construction of triangle, join EF. So we are joining EF. So this is triangle EDF in which D is 90 degree, D 5 centimeter and DF is 3 centimeters. So this way we can complete the construction of triangle in which 90 degrees is there. So this is all about your question number 2. Sorry, question number 1. Question number 3 you can do by yourself. It is same as what we did in the given construction. Question number 2 we will see later on, because in that 110 degree is given. Through the construction it is not possible to draw 110 degree. So I just slightly change the question. That question we will see later on. Thank you.